Welcome to English Listening Channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation between two co-workers taking a break at a cafe. In this video, you will follow Sarah and Daniel as they enjoy some time away from work and have a relaxing chat over coffee. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story.
I'm so glad we decided to take a break. I really needed this.
Me too. That meeting was so long. This cafe looks nice.
Yes, I come here sometimes. They have great coffee.
Perfect. I need a good coffee right now.
The atmosphere is very relaxing here. It's my favorite place to unwind.
I can see why. It feels so peaceful compared to the office.
Exactly. Let's go in and find a nice table.
Good idea. I hope they have a quiet spot for us.
Look, there's a nice table by the window.
That looks perfect. It's quiet and has natural light.
I love sitting by windows. You can watch people outside.
And it's not too crowded here today. That's nice.
Yes, usually it's busier during lunchtime.
We chose a good time then. Should we sit down?
Absolutely. This table is perfect for our break.
Great. Now I can finally relax after that busy morning. Wow, they have so many options. What do you usually get?
I love their cappuccino, and the chocolate muffins are amazing.
Cappuccino sounds good. I think I want something sweet, too.
The blueberry scones are also very popular here.
Scones or muffins? This is a difficult choice.
Why don't we get different things and share?
That's a great idea. I'll get a latte and a blueberry scone.
Perfect. I'll get my cappuccino and a chocolate muffin.
This way we can try both. Smart thinking.
Hi, we'd like to order, please.
I'll have a large latte and a blueberry scone, please.
And I'll have a medium cappuccino and a chocolate muffin.
Should we get them for here or to go?
For here, please. We want to sit and relax.
Yes, we're taking a break from work.
How long will it take?
No rush. We have plenty of time.
Great. We'll be sitting at that table by the window.
I'm so tired after that presentation this morning.
You did really well, though. The client seemed happy.
Thank you. I was nervous, but it went okay.
I could never tell you were nervous. You looked confident.
That's good to hear. I practiced a lot last night.
Hard work always pays off. The boss was impressed, too.
Really? That makes me feel much better about it.
You should be proud. It's nice to take a break after success.
Exactly. This coffee break is well deserved.
Here comes our order. It looks delicious.
Perfect timing. I can smell the coffee from here.
My cappuccino looks beautiful. Look at that foam art.
And this latte is huge. I definitely needed this caffeine.
The chocolate muffin looks amazing, too. Want to try a piece?
Sure. And you can have some of my blueberry scone.
Deal. This is exactly what I needed after this morning.
Cheers to a successful presentation and a good coffee break.
Cheers! Let's enjoy this moment. This cappuccino is perfect. Just the right temperature.
And this scone is incredible. It's so fresh and sweet.
I told you this place has great food. Try the muffin.
Wow, the chocolate is so rich. This is heaven.
I feel so much more relaxed now. Work stress is gone.
Me too. Sometimes we really need these little breaks.
Absolutely. It's important to take care of ourselves.
You're right. I feel ready to tackle the afternoon now.
So, do you have any fun plans for the weekend?
I'm thinking about going hiking. What about you?
That sounds nice. I want to visit the art museum downtown.
Cool. I love art museums. Which exhibition are you seeing?
They have a new modern art collection. I'm really excited.
Modern art is interesting. I prefer landscapes, but I enjoy all art.
Maybe we should go together sometime? You could show me good hiking spots.
That would be great. I know some beautiful trails near the city.
Perfect. It's nice to have common interests with colleagues.
Besides hiking, I really enjoy photography. Nature photos mostly.
That's wonderful. I love looking at nature photography.
I bring my camera on hikes. The sunrise shots are amazing.
I bet they are. I like painting in my free time.
Really? What kind of painting do you do?
Mostly watercolors. I paint flowers and landscapes.
That's so creative. Maybe I could photograph places for you to paint.
What a great idea! We could make a perfect team.
Art and photography together. That sounds like fun.
Oh, look at the time. We should head back soon.
Already? Time flies when you're having a good conversation.
I know, but we have that team meeting at 3 o'clock.
Right, I almost forgot about that. Good thing you remembered.
This break was exactly what I needed. I feel much better.
Me too. I'm actually looking forward to the afternoon now.
Sometimes a good coffee and conversation solve everything.
Absolutely. We should do this more often.
I agree. Maybe next week?
That was the best coffee break I've had in weeks.
I'm so glad we came here. It's my favorite place for a reason.
Now I understand why. The food, the atmosphere, everything is perfect.
And the company was pretty good too.
Ha, thanks. I really enjoyed talking with you outside of work.
Me too. It's nice to get to know colleagues better.
Definitely. Should we leave a tip?
Good idea. The service was excellent.
Perfect. Ready to go back to reality?
Thanks for joining me for coffee today, Daniel.
Thank you for inviting me. This was exactly what I needed.
I feel so much more energized now, ready for the afternoon.
Same here. That presentation stress is completely gone.
See? I told you a coffee break works wonders.
You were absolutely right. I'll remember this for next time.
And don't forget about our weekend plans.
Never. I'm looking forward to sharing our hobbies.
Me too. Now let's go show them what refreshed workers can do.
I hope this video helped you improve your English. By practicing English like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. What's your favorite place to take a coffee break with friends or colleagues? Please share in the comments below. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English to help you learn. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe and don't forget to like the video. See you next time. Bye.